Hello everyone, this is Prakash from Logoland. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we are going to cover initial logo designing considering the concept of grid in Illustrator. Though there are many concepts regarding the grid like circle, square, triangle and hexagon and etc. So the grid concept we are going to cover in this video, that is triangle. So if you really want to learn more concept, so you have to keep watching the related videos as well. If you didn't subscribe my channel so far, you are requested to subscribe right now. So I'm gonna see you in Illustrator and let's start this. So let's start. First we need to have grid on our document. So in order to create a grid, we need to have a line tool. Now we have to create vertical line. We need 32 vertical lines. So we have created just one. Select this one and we need to copy by holding Shift and Alt key on your keyboard. Now let it go. So now you have to keep pressing Ctrl plus D on your keyboard to copy until you get 32nd line. So here we go. We have created 32 lines. So I'm going to make a group by pressing Ctrl G. So let's keep that into center. Next I need a triangle. So let's take a polygon tool and draw a polygon tool and click. Here you can set 3 points, 3 sides and click OK. So we have to rotate this set of lines in such a way so the angle should be matched with the angle of this triangle, this line. Okay, so we have to select this one and come to the property. Here you can set it to the 300 angle. So now you can see it has been matched properly to the angle of this. Now select this one. Now we need to reflect it. So go to the transform, reflect, copy. So that's okay. Now we need straight horizontal set of line. So select this and copy and paste in front. Okay, now we have to set this to the 0. Okay, now so you may have been noticed right now, if you're following along me, you may have been noticing, so the lines are not touching to the points. So we have to keep selecting line, then we have to move and snap here like so. So your grid, you have to make sure your grid should match to the mine. Okay, now what you have to do is select and copy, because I'm going to create more things, so I have copied this in advance. Select all the lines. We don't need this, let's get rid of this one. Select all the lines. First letter mark we are going to create, that gonna be MDA. So select all the lines and go and take shape builder tool. So MDA, there are 3 letters. So we have to count 14 line, means from top to bottom MDA going to cover 14 lines. Okay, because these are 3 letters. So I'm supposing this is the first line, this is the second, third, fourth. I need to get letter A. Here we go. Okay, MDA. Now the second I'm going to create VF. Okay, let's create VF. So this is covering from top to bottom 10 lines. Now third which I'm going to create is F and M. F M in diamond shape. Okay, so 9 lines, we are going to cover 9 lines. So somewhere here I'm going to start. This is the first line, this is the second line, third. So we have created FM. Okay, next I'm going to create SG. Okay, SG. But now you can see this is looking like a triangle. Okay, this is the pointed part, this is the taper part, and as we are going to the bottom it is going broader. So now we are going to make opposite of this. Okay, we are opposite of this. So the pointed part will remain down and the border part will be up. Okay, we are going to create upside down of this. So SG, we are going to cover SG. So we are going to count actually same 14 line. Okay, so okay, that's great. So suppose here actually this is MDA. So these are I know these are the three letters, and what if we have W in place of D. Suppose if it is MWA, then we have to increase our lines, because if you check M is occupying or covering more line than D actually, if you go and check. So in the same way, W will also cover more lines in the same as M. Okay, so I'm going to create MWA so that you can have little idea. Okay, I'm going to sideline this one. I'm going to copy here. So this time I'm going to cover, here we have covered 14 by 14 lines, 14 and 14. So select the grid and take shape builder tool. Let's have color, whichever color you like. Now we have to this has been our W. Now we have to create letter A. So you can create a letter A, F, whatever your requirement. Even if you want T, WWT, WE, we can create MWE, whatever you can create. There's a lot of scope. So this is how we can go for MWA. If you don't like A, if you want to have something else, suppose if you want to create E, you can go for E. If you really want to have some suppose. Okay. So we can create S, letter S as well. Okay. So instead of creating MWA, we have replaced A with S letter. So we have created lettermarks logo. It's time to extract them out of the grids. So what we have to do is, so it is very simple. What you have to do is just press Control key on the keyboard and click on M. Now press Shift key as well. Yeah, now you are pressing Control and Shift both. Keep clicking on the letters. Okay. Control X for cut, and then delete this grid. We don't need anymore. Paste in front. Okay, let's set this here. Same thing here. Control plus Shift. You have press both keys on the keyboard, then keep clicking on shapes. Now we don't need this. Okay, paste in front. So after creating this logo, suppose if I want to increase the thickness of these lines, suppose MWS, I'm finding it very thin, so just I want to increase its thickness. So what I have to do is first select. If you go and check, there are stock attached with this logo as well. So everywhere it attached. So what we have to do is, first I'm going to fill color. I'm going to turn the fill color to black and the stroke color black as well. Here we can increase the size of stroke. I think this much is okay. Now here expand it and unite. Same thing here. Select. Rotate, expand. So here you can see we have created different logo with the help of grid. I hope you understood everything which I have taught you in this class. So don't miss out my other videos as well, because the other videos I will be teaching you the same kind of stuff, but with different grid pattern. Okay, if I'm going to teach you with different grid patterns, that means the logo going to be different. So stay tuned. Thank you very much. I'm going to see you in my next video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you found this video very useful to you, don't forget to give a like and subscribe my channel right now if you don't subscribe. And do let me know what you have learned from today's video by commenting in the comment box. So I'm gonna see you very soon in my new video with new concept. So thank you. Bye.